Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable NFC and contactless payments. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to manage NFC and contactless payments on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, as a first step, we need to open Settings by swiping down on your screen and clicking on this settings icon. After this, click on Connections, scroll down, and click on NFC and contactless payments. And right here, by clicking on this slider, you can turn this function on or off and manage it like this. If we scroll a little lower, but firstly we need to turn on the NFC and contactless payments. When we scroll lower, right here we can see the options of contactless payments. The only form of payment on this watch is Google Pay. If we go back, right here you can turn on or turn off the option Pay with Open App. And Others. Right here you can select apps to open with NFC. And to pay with the help of your watch, as it shows right here on the instruction, tap top of watch against the reader. And that was all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.